What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, what a difference a week makes. Dover, you been busy or what?
Yes, sir.
Good Lord. It's we got cold air.
Not done, but you know.
Yeah, but like compared to what it was just a few days ago, trans cooler. You saw all the brackets, but fuel system. Boom, fuel system right there. And we got another special surprise inside here. The official Dakota Digital cluster is in. That's the same one that's in your car, isn't it? Yeah.
Same color and all.
Very, very nice. Cluster is in. Just wrapping up some of the wiring. And then, of course, back here, got all the power run back here. We're putting a little fuel in there. This dude's gonna fire.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, it's a little warmer in here. Oh, God. Yeah. Talking about different weeks make the weather is unreal. So, Alex, you got the hot rod in here, dude. What are we doing today?
Bracketing.
Aha. You've had a stubborn leak for quite a while.
Well, the fittings on the 4-cylinder is different than the V8 when the lines go in.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. But other than that, she's good to go, right?
I'm gonna do
Do some tweaking.
a little haggling with Jeremy when they come in. Some bricks.
Yeah. Man, this car just kills me every time.
Yeah, I polished it out.
Yeah, I can tell. I was gonna say it's looking extra slick today.
Yeah, I had to get under it.
Alex is
I said it swerved almost all up.
Alex is the polished master. Hold on, let's see Alex's cluster. Oh, your cluster. How come your cluster won't cut on? Oh. There it is. All the different clusters. His is blue. Sometimes I wish I had gotten blue. But anyway, y'all, that is what is going on. Actually, we got a lot more than that going on, but had to see what's up at the shop. All right. Brian, are we going to start this thing today or what?
You did that fuel leak, quit leaking here.
Don't say fuel leak.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna go sit in the truck. We'll drag it.
Yeah.
Why you got outside the shop, man?
Fuel leak.
Hey, turn the key on just for a second. Like, turn it on,
Yeah.
turn it right back off. That should be enough to tell me if it's leaking, which I'm pretty positive it is. Oh, yeah. Turn it off. Turn it off!
Oh,
Yeah, so turn it on, turn it right back off.
I did.
Oh my God.
Had a delay.
We about to fire this thing though.
Oh, no. That's fitting there.
First
That
we gotta.
union must not be good.
That's not
Get it
good.
real tight, because that union you put on mine, I had to tighten them.
I got one side bottomed out.
And it's leaking on that side?
I think that's the side it's leaking on.
Uh-oh.
It's probably way too high now.
Yeah, I was gonna say it probably. There it goes. Yeah. 40, 60. Oh, there it's going back down.
What are we looking at here?
40.
40?
Now, here at 60.
Oh,
A little below 60.
at about 60?
Keep cranking. A little more.
Something's pouring gas.
Yeah, we got a leak back there.
Oh, jeez.
That's the tank.
Oh, okay, I know what it is. Turned off.
I was gonna say it was going up real good for a minute there.
I gotta put that clip in the line.
Oh, okay.
Where the hell's that clip at?
All right. Yeah, we're gonna get a fire here in just a minute. Cody, we will fire, won't we?
We'll explode cylinder.
No. No.
Damn!
Don't say that. All right, let it rip.
Fire in the hole.
Son, hell, let it run.
70 psi oil pressure.
Oh, it's good. That's about what
Yep,
you did.
she's solid.
It looked like mine.
You're hey, turn that key back on. We can see what that fuel pressure ended up like.
Probably too much.
It's
Yeah, it's too much.
ooh, yeah, it was on its way up. Yeah.
All right, crank it back up and let it run a
Right
bit.
Good?
Yeah.
All right.
She is alive.
She's alive.
All right, Brian, what do you think?
It's awesome.
I mean,
It's awesome.
dude, it's running.
Yeah. It's
Finally,
awesome.
huh?
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
My turn to have it.
it is officially
It's my
alive.
son's turn now, right?
Yeah.
So in 1 week, you made it happen.
Somewhat, yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
So now you have 1 more week to finish everything else.
All right. Yeah.
Because we got to see this thing out on the road.
Come on overtime.
Yeah.
You can fly the drinks. Come on. Yeah.
I can handle the drinks now. We
Yeah.
can, we can handle the drinks.
Absolutely.
All right, guys. So instead of standing out there freezing, we're going to bring the car in. I mean, hell, we might as well just hang outside. It's only 30 degrees, right?
Only 60 in here, though.
Sheesh. Yeah, that,
Oh, man.
oh, watch out. Oh, yes.
All right, I'm going to go time my wheel.
That's much better.
Yeah, good time to enter.
Corey, you just got here, dude. You can't leave yet.
Gotta go put a distributor gear on.
By the way, everybody needs an update on the pink coupe, the purple coupe.
It's pulling.
You said it's a beast and it hooks,
It's a
right?
beast.
Okay. So we're going to have a video of it soon.
Very soon.
Boom. You heard it right here. He promised.
And it's got the nitrous on it too.
Oh, it does have the nitrous. So we're going to be doing nitrous pulls shortly.
That's right.
Boom. Keep an eye out for that, guys. Especially once it warms up, we're going to be doing nitrous Windsor pulls in the sub 2,600 pound notchback. Don't miss it.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't even look at the cluster.
It's nice.
Ah, see, you wire these differently with the 6R80s. There we go.
Look at that, Colin.
We can have a key on all of them.
Yeah, buddy.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty. I like the blue. But you know what, mine, all I got to do is turn the light on. I don't have to do key on for my cluster to light up.
You don't?
Mm-mm.
Well, you had to have the key on regardless.
Now, that's why I'm wondering if it's a 5-speed thing. 5-speed control pack.
Cluster's a cluster.
Yeah,
You don't care if it's a...
I don't know. All right, Brian. So I'm putting you on the spot.
All right.
You got 3 months till Ford Takeover. So,
It'll be there,
it'll be there?
but will it be completely finished?
Oh, no, yeah,
it's gonna
no.
take a little
Shoot,
bit.
my car's not completely
It'll be
finished.
there, though.
So really, you got to do your Hydro Boost stuff.
Yes. Hydro boost, fans, overflow, AC,
You got to get a drive shaft. But other than that,
drive shaft,
I mean,
be driving.
yeah.
Yeah.
You got to get your wheels. You got to decide on some wheels.
Gotta get some wheels and maybe clean it up a little bit
Yeah.
until I get ready to get it painted.
Shoot, I'd drive it like it is. Enjoy it. It's going to be a blast.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah, I mean, as far as
I'm the proud owner of a
running and driving Coyote SWAT. Dude, you are officially in the club.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Yeah.
Dover, he's officially the owner of a running and not quite yet driving, but almost Coyote SWAT Foxbody.
It's allowed. That's all that matters.
That's right. We need to like come up with shirts or something.
Thank you, Dover. Thank you, Dover. Yeah, that's right.
Drop me a comment below if we need to have the official I am a Coyote SWAT Foxbody owner's shirt, because I think we can make that happen. I think we could. Hold on, we gotta get Alex's opinion. Alex, being the owner of a Coyote SWAT Foxbody, do we need to come up with shirts? Because we're a special breed.
Thought we were getting special Foxcast Media shirts.
Well, I'm working on that too, but I got to come up with $5,000, so plus shipping.
Hoodies and caps.
Yeah, that too.
Koozies.
Koozies, I've got koozies at the house.
Keychains?
Actually, yep,
Keychain.
yep. And everybody wants these too.
Yeah.
So whoever made that, we need to make those. If y'all have not seen the beautiful wall art in the shop,
It's metal.
it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful.
Piece of steel.
All right, guys, quick update on Lee's convertible. We got brakes here, dude. Ooh, I see braided lines. Oh yeah, braided lines. Those calipers look promising.
Package is mighty nice.
Wow, yeah. Oh. Wait for it. Those look really big.
Yeah. No damage.
Wow.
No damage in packaging, huh? For shipping, I guess. Huh?
And geez, look at that. Very nice. Got the yellow accent. Wow. Those are pretty. So Lee will officially be stopping good. So yeah, guys, there's Lee's drag radials. Lee is going very big. As you can see, there's my hand. Yeah. Got the 305/35 drag radials. And there's Philip. So yeah, lots of parts rolling in. And again, if you caught the last upload, there'll be an update. Lee's engine bay is mid-process, should be done soon. But guys, that is what is up. We got Brian's car started. I mean, this has been a freaking productive day. And you got your GT here.
Oh, it's out there.
How's it running?
Oh, that's all right. I'm about to get that T5 swap done.
Okay. Yes. And actually, we're going to do the T5 swap.
We are.
Yes. We're going to do the T5 swap because we're going to need to do a video to show everybody how to go auto to T5. So we're going to knock that out.
And show everybody, like, you know, how Dad pays for everything.
Yeah, exactly. And Alex got his power steering leak fixed after trying for 6 months. Alex, how's it feel not to be leaking power steering fluid?
Feels good. Smells better.
Yeah, exactly. Oh man, all right, guys. So that is what is up. As always, lots of stuff going on, and hopefully have an update on the wounded engine very soon. Jeremy's kind of deciding what engine he's going to go with for the Viper Blue Foxbody. So, like I said, guys, tons of stuff going on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notified because you never know what's going to be going on here. Everybody have an awesome day. Check with you next time.